Welcome back to my channel once again. This is Plant Lifestyles. Today I'm going to talk about the Negro Pepper. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're a subscriber, please like the video, comment, share the video links to other people for them to also benefit from the video. Yes, today I have Negro Pepper in my bowl and I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to explain its physical benefits and its spiritual use. Let me get closer to the camera for you to view it well. This is how the Negro Pepper looks like. As you can see, it's a Negro Pepper. This is how it looks like. Yes. So this is the Negro Pepper. That's how it looks like. Okay, let's continue on by talking into its benefits. Yeah. The physical benefits of this plant is awesome. It does a lot of magic. It works like the ginger and then garlic. Yes, it's very powerful too. It's a very powerful herb that has been used ancients of days in our community. Yeah, because of its medicinal purposes, it is being always preserved. It is always being preserved because one, it is out of its season. The preserved one can be used anytime, whenever you want to use it. That is why it is being dried. This is the dry one, for which you can use it. You can keep it for a long time. You can keep it for almost 1 year and it won't be any damage. You can use it after 1 year. Let's see how this Negro Pepper is beneficial to my health. One, this Negro Pepper is anti-inflammatory. In fact, those suffering from chronic pains, chronic inflammatories. In fact, if you have a cup that is used for tea early in the morning, you are going to dedicate that cup to treat your anti-inflammatory using this one. You are going to warm up the water, and then once you warm out the water in your cooking pot, you are going to add this Negro Pepper into the warm water. You are going to boil it to a certain degree, so that as you see that the color of the water has changed, you are going to take your cup of tea, your tea cup, and then drain the water. Take it as if you are drinking your tea. Yes, you are going to take it as if you are drinking your tea. After you've drank all the water on this, it is still useful. You can get a pestle and mortar and pound it and then mix it with water again. And once you mix it with water, you are going to filter it, put it in your fridge. You are going to take it morning, afternoon, and evening. This remedy or this preparation also cures stomach problems. Those suffering from malaria, it can also prevent malaria. It's very powerful too. That if you are suffering from diarrhea, if you are running, if you are every 3 seconds you have to visit the toilet, every 1 minute you have to visit the toilet, you are running, you can take this tea and also bring an end to any diarrhea. Once again, there are people who are suffering from blood issues, blood clotting, that causes the heart problems. You see that their blood are being agglutinated. That is, it is being clouded, or let me say it is being, like, I want to use a word in science but it is not coming, but let him say they are formed together, agglutinated. Let him use that word, the scientific word. It is being agglutinated. Agglutination is the process whereby the blood cells, the red blood cells, comes together and form a structure like a ball or a stony structure. That is what I want to use. I had wanted to dive into science, but you see, I learned science for about 3 or 4 years ago, and then just now I'm forgetting because all things are herba. Yeah, but I have to revise my science so that I can use the terms very well. So they are being agglutinated. So if you want to prevent agglutination, that is the forming of clots. Yes, the forming of blood clots in your blood vessels or your blood vein. You can drink this tea. One warning to you: when you are pregnant, don't use this tea because it makes blood flow easier. It is going to make the clot of blood that is forming the child to melt. or it is going to disturb it. Yes, it is going to disturb the blood formation that is forming embryo and then the zygote and all kinds of things. Any scientific term that I've given it, all there and above. You are going to distract it, and it is, if the decoction is plenty, you are going to even destroy your pregnancy, and then that is very dangerous to you. Sometimes it won't be necessary that the destruction is going to be deep. Sometimes it will destroy part of the zygote, and the time you give birth, the child will be suffering from a specific kind of, or a certain kind of disease, or some part of the body will be deformed. So if you are pregnant, don't use this. It is very good for those who have given birth newly, because it is going to help you to bring out those remains in you, that is the bad aspect of it that needs to come out, the blood, and then after birth things. It is going to help you to bring it out, because it improves uterine movements, that is contraction and relaxation. It improves it. And once you've given birth and that thing is not coming, you can take a cup of tea and then wait for about 1 hour or 30 minutes. You see that they will be coming like that. Yes, so if you are giving birth, you want to remove the afterbirth and all kinds of remains, blood remains, any filthiness that is in the body, if you want to bring it out, taking tea of this is very good. Yes, so morning, don't take it when you have, especially the first 3 months of your pregnancy journey. Don't take it. Once again, this Negro pepper is used spiritually. Let me add one physical, one health benefit of this. Those suffering from diabetes, it regulates the blood, the sugar level. This regulates the sugar level of human beings. It was tested in rabbits, and once again, human beings were given this decoction, and once they visited the hospital, the doctors gave them a result that their blood sugar level has reduced. In fact, their sugar level has reduced. It's because they took this for some times, continuing, and then visited the hospital to check their sugar level, and it was down. I testify it myself, because I have given this to a lot of people to take, and then once they go to the hospital, their sugar level is lowered because of the decoction they take. Once again, those who are struggling with irregular heartbeat, sometimes you'll be there, your heart will beat like once, and then you feel that my heart has, and heart pains. Sometimes you feel that you feel pains in your heart. In fact, let this be your tea. Let this be your tea. This is a natural remedy. Plant lifestyles, we depend on things of plants. That plant can give us, what plant can do, and what plant is offering us to heal us. We depend on it as what? Food. So please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Especially this one is used to improve our business. I'll get time to do an extensive video about the spiritual use of this Negro pepper. It's used to improve our business, draw customers. It's also used to increase our favor in our life. This same Negro pepper is also used to attract favor, goodness, peaceful energy, like good energy, like peace of mind, drive away any spirit that tries to interrupt your business. Yes, it works. It's not magic. It's a natural thing that the Lord God has given us. So subscribe to the channel. I'm going to make an extensive video with the topic, the spiritual use of Negro pepper, and I'm going to elaborate on what I've spoken. And once the video is out, because you subscribe, once this video is out, you are going to be the first person to be notified, and we are going to watch the extensive benefit, that is the spiritual benefit of this Negro pepper. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for comments. Once you subscribe, once you comment, you give us the power, you give us the energy to teach you more plants. There's a long way to go. There are a lot of plants to learn. As I told you, there are a lot of plants in my garden. Even this is a medicine. So let's keep subscribing and then move on. See you in the next video. Bye bye.